are so excited to bring you the campus update for construction this week. There's so much going on. Last week you saw the construction trailer was delivered. This week they're setting it up with all their communications and making it their on-site office. You can see the parking garage construction going on behind us. This will really help us meet some of the challenges. We've had long-time challenges with parking, as you know. It'll be conveniently located underneath the 3-story academic building. Church demolition will start this week. The pipe organ has been wrapped and protected, the pew chairs removed, and the great news is that we are on track to celebrate the Christmas holiday in the renovated sanctuary.
As the Capital Campaign chairs, Roger and I couldn't be more excited to see all this construction starting to happen. We want to thank our early donors who made it possible to start in anticipation of reaching our $10 million Capital Campaign goal. Our youngest is now graduated, but we are still committed to this community and this campaign. If you haven't already given, we urge you to give now. If you've been on the fence about whether this would actually happen, it is happening. Help us reach our final goal of $10 million by helping us raise the gap between for $1.5 million.
Seeing is believing. Drive by campus and look and see what's going on. There's nothing that's going to stand in our way of making this dream a reality.